Hey everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today is Wednesday, October 6, 2021. We're going to be taking another look at Blackberry stock. So before we get started, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. And we can see that we did have a bit of a red day today in Blackberry. We were down about 15 cents, down to the 930s. And now this is what we've been saying for the past few days. We're trying to determine whether or not Blackberry would hold that mid-9 level support. And as of today, it's dipped below it. Now, one day is not going to make or break the stock. I'll be curious to see, it's Wednesday, if by Thursday or Friday before the week is over, if we could break back into that mid-9 level range. Because if we can, then we might be able to reestablish this pattern that we've been seeing for some months, where we get to the mid-9s, we jump, get to the mid-9s, jump, etc. Now, Blackberry has been making lower lows and lower highs, we could see here lately. But we may have found some substantial support now. I mean, as we see, we've kind of been narrowing in this channel over the past few days, really. And so it looks like we do want to make a higher move. But the question is, are we going to make a higher move and reestablish what we've been doing before and get those nice bounces into the $10 level? Or is our higher move going to be even in the higher 9 level? And then we'll continue lower and keep that pattern going. It may be a new pattern in that regard, but that's why we have to see what happens in the next, really 2 days, I'd say, because one day we can't really tell one way or another. It could be a whole host of factors. But so overall, I think in the long term, Blackberry is looking bullish in the sense of, as we saw, we had a great earnings report. We're increasing our sales, their QNX software. There's a ton of demand for it. And they have these partnerships with Amazon and other companies, auto manufacturers and whatnot, and their products are very heavily demanded. On top of that, they have that patent sales or IP sales that could act as a further positive catalyst, which their CEO, John Chen, said they should have that finalized like this coming quarter or this current quarter that we're in. So if there's some news on that, that could be a great catalyst. So in the long term, I think we're in okay shape. For the short term, just based on the chart, we do have a bit of a bearish scenario it looks like playing out. But again, let's see what happens for the rest of the week, because if we break back into that mid-9 level channel, anything is possible. But let me know what you think, if we're going to go up or down or stay in this level, and I'll catch you in the next one.